The Adventures of Jim and His Broken Truck. Jim was a truck driver. He loved his big red truck. Every morning he would wake up early, drink a cup of hot coffee, and say, "Today is a new day for my truck and me." One sunny day, Jim had to deliver boxes of toys to a town far away. He was excited. The children will be so happy, he thought. He filled his truck with the boxes and started his journey. The road was long and dusty. Tim sang songs to pass the time. La la la. Driving is fun. The journey has just begun. But suddenly, the truck made a strange noise. Clunk, clunk, bang. Tim pulled over to the side of the road. He jumped out of truck and looked around. "Oh no," he said. "What happened to my truck?" Jim saw smoke coming from the engine. He opened the hood and scratched his head. Jim was good at driving, but he was not good at fixing trucks. He took out his phone and called his friend Bob. Bob was a mechanic. He knew everything about trucks. Jim said, "Bob, my truck is broken. Can you help me?" Bob laughed. "Jim, you are always in trouble. I will be there soon." While waiting for Bob, Jim sat on a rock by the road. He watched the cars and trucks go by. A friendly farmer named Mr. Green walked over and asked, "Need some help, Jim?" Jim smiled and said, "Yes, my truck is broken. I have toys for the children, but I cannot move it." Mr. Green thought for a moment. "I have a tractor. Maybe it can help you pull your truck to my farm. Bob can fix it there." Jim agreed. Mr. Green's tractor was old and slow, but it was strong. They hooked the tractor to the truck, and slowly they went to Mr. Green's farm. At the farm, Jim met Daisy, Mr. Green's cow. Daisy was very curious about the big red truck. She sniffed the tires and mowed loudly. Jim laughed. "Daisy, do you want to be a truck driver too?" Finally, Bob arrived with his big toolbox. He looked at the truck and looked at Jim. "Jim, you have to take better care of this truck," Bob said with a grin. Bob worked hard, fixing the engine and tightening the bolts. Jim helped by passing tools and telling funny stories. After some time, Bob whipped his hand and said, "All done. The truck is ready." Tim was happy. He thanked Bob and Mr. Green. He even gave Daisy a pat on the head. "Thank you, everyone. The children will get their toys now." Tim started the truck. It roared back to life, louder and prouder than before. He waved goodbye to Mr. Green and Bob as he drove away. As Tim delivered the toys, he thought about his adventure. Even when things go wrong, good friends can help make it right. he said to himself with a smile. And from that day, Tim always checked his truck before every journey, just to make sure it was ready for new adventures. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. If you liked, share it with your friends and give your like in this episode. See ya. Take care.